In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of enabling notifications in the Threads app. To begin, open the Threads app on your device. Ensure you are on your profile page, which is typically accessible by tapping on your profile picture. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app's interface, where you'll find the menu button. Tap on this button to access the app's menu options. Within the menu options, locate and tap on the Notifications option. This will take you to the Notification Settings page. On the Notification Settings page, you'll see various options. Look for the one represented by a puzzle icon. If it's currently disabled, you can enable it by tapping on the corresponding button. Once you've tapped the button, you'll have successfully turned on notifications for Threads. Congratulations! You've now learned how to enable notifications in the Threads app. Thank you for watching this online help guide. If you found it useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.